Are you dreaming of exploring new horizons and embarking on exciting adventures without breaking the bank? Look no further. In this guide, we will unveil the top budget travel destinations for the year 2023. Whether you're a backpacker, an avid explorer, or simply seeking an affordable getaway, these destinations offer incredible experiences at affordable prices. In 2023, the world is teeming with captivating locations that provide both cultural richness and thrilling experiences while still being easy on the wallet. From exotic tropical paradises to vibrant urban cities, these budget-friendly destinations offer an array of attractions and activities to suit every traveler's taste. So, get ready to plan your next adventure without worrying about breaking the bank. Join us as we reveal the top budget travel destinations for 2023 and discover the hidden gems that await you in the world of affordable exploration. Number 1. Vietnam. Vietnam is located in Southeast Asia, is a captivating and diverse country known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. From bustling cities to serene countryside, Vietnam offers a myriad of experiences for travelers. For a glimpse into Vietnam's ancient history, a visit to the Imperial City of U is a must. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to the Imperial Citadel, royal tombs, and picturesque pagodas. The nearby town of Hoi An enchants visitors with its well-preserved ancient architecture and lantern-lit streets. Take a stroll along the Thu Bon River, explore the colorful local markets, and try your hand at traditional Vietnamese cooking classes. Number 2. Mexico. Mexico, a vibrant and culturally rich country in North America, is a captivating destination that offers a blend of ancient traditions, stunning landscapes, and a warm and welcoming atmosphere. From its beautiful beaches to its archaeological wonders, Mexico has something for every type of traveler. If you're seeking sun and sand, Mexico's coastline is a paradise. Cancun, located on the Yucatan Peninsula, boasts stunning white sandy beaches and crystal-clear turquoise waters. It's also a getaway to the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second largest coral reef system in the world, perfect for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Number 3. Philippines. The Philippines, located in Southeast Asia, is an archipelago of over 7,000 islands known for its stunning beaches, rich biodiversity, and warm hospitality. With its diverse landscapes ranging from white sandy shores to lush mountains and bustling cities, the Philippines offers a myriad of experiences for travelers. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Manila, the capital city, visit the UNESCO World Heritage listed rice terraces in Banaue, dive into the crystal-clear waters of Palawan's underground river, or relax in the idyllic beaches of Boracay. The Philippines is a tropical paradise that promises adventure and a welcoming spirit. Number 4. Indonesia. Indonesia, a vast and diverse country in Southeast Asia, is known for its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and ancient temples. With over 17,000 islands, Indonesia offers a wealth of experiences for travelers. Explore the bustling capital city of Jakarta, immerse yourself in the artistic traditions of Ubud in Bali, or witness the magnificent sunrise over the volcanic peaks of Mount Bromo. Discover pristine beaches in the Gili Islands, encounter orangutans in the jungle of Sumatra, or dive into the vibrant coral reefs of Raja Ampat. Indonesia's natural beauty, warm hospitality, and diverse cultural heritage make it a captivating destination for adventurers and culture enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Colombia. Colombia, located in South America, is a country of stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and rich cultural heritage. From the colorful streets of Cartagena to the lush coffee plantations of the Zona Cafetera, Colombia offers a diverse range of experiences. Explore the archaeological wonders of Ciudad Perdida, hike through the breathtaking Cocora Valley, or soak up the vibrant atmosphere of Bogota, the capital city. With its warm and welcoming people, delicious cuisine, and a growing reputation as a safe and exciting destination, Colombia has become a must-visit for travelers seeking adventure and natural beauty. Number 6. India. India, located in South Asia, is a land of cultural diversity, ancient traditions, and remarkable landscapes. From the bustling streets of Delhi to the majestic Taj Mahal in Agra, India offers a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and flavors. Explore the vibrant markets of Jaipur, immerse yourself in the spiritual aura of Varanasi, or embark on a scenic journey through the backwaters of Kerala. With its iconic landmarks, rich history, and cuisine that tantalizes the taste buds, India offers a unique and unforgettable experience for travelers seeking adventure, spirituality, and cultural immersion. Number 7. Nepal. Nepal, nestled in the majestic Himalayas, is a country of breathtaking natural beauty, ancient temples, and warm hospitality. Home to Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, Nepal offers unparalleled opportunities for trekking and mountaineering. Explore the vibrant streets of Kathmandu, where ancient temples and bustling markets coexist. Visit the sacred pilgrimage site of Lumbini, the birthplace of Lord Buddha, or go on a wildlife safari in Chitwan National Park. With its stunning landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and the welcoming nature of its people, Nepal is a destination that captivates the hearts of adventurers and spiritual seekers alike. Number 8. Costa Rica. Costa Rica, nestled in Central America, is a small country known for its incredible biodiversity, lush rainforests, and pristine beaches. With its commitment to conservation, Costa Rica offers abundant opportunities for ecotourism and outdoor adventures. Explore the vibrant capital city of San Jose, visit the iconic Arenal volcano, or embark on thrilling zip lining and whitewater rafting excursions. Discover the stunning cloud forests of Monteverde, spot wildlife in Tortuguero National Park, or simply unwind on the idyllic beaches of Manuel Antonio. Costa Rica's natural wonders, warm climate, and friendly locals make it a perfect destination for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. Number 9. Turkey. Turkey, situated in the crossroads of Europe and Asia, is a captivating country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. From the bustling streets of Istanbul, where ancient traditions meet modernity, to the otherworldly landscape of Cappadocia, Turkey offers a wealth of experiences. Explore the archaeological wonders of Ephesus, relax on the beautiful beaches on the Mediterranean coast, or indulge in the unique flavors of Turkish cuisine. With its iconic landmarks like the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, warm hospitality, and the fashion of East and West, Turkey is a destination that leaves visitors awe-inspired and longing for more. Number 10. Egypt. Egypt, located in North Africa, is a country steeped in ancient history and awe-inspiring wonders. Home to the iconic pyramids of Giza and the Great Sphinx, Egypt is a treasure trove of archaeological marvels. Explore the fascinating temples of Luxor and Karnak, cruise along the legendary Nile River, or dive into the vibrant underwater world of the Red Sea. Immerse yourself in the bustling markets of Cairo, savor traditional Egyptian cuisine, and experience the warmth of the Egyptian people. With its captivating landmarks, timeless heritage, and mystical allure, Egypt offers a truly unforgettable journey into the past. Thank you for joining us on this virtual adventure through the top 10 budget travel destinations in 2023. We hope this video has inspired you to explore new horizons without breaking the bank. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content.